Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a review on the Perrin inlet tube, and I'm just waiting for Jonathan. I'm at his work right now. Yeah, so let's just roll in the intro and we'll see you after the intro. We are back. So, how do you like that pull, man?
It definitely pulls harder. That's what I would just say. Throttle response is there, like I said earlier. It just helps the car a little bit, move a little bit more. There's definitely less restriction. It's a lot more, what do you call that? What's the word? Higher
Airflow.
flowing.
Yeah, so there's a lot of airflow in that intake.
Yeah.
And plus your TRD exhaust really sounds nice. What do you guys think about that TRD exhaust? Leave a comment down below.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Also, in the cabin, when you're just cruising around like this, you don't really hear the intake noises anymore because I have deleted my sound generator tube going into the cabin. So right now, cruising at 2,000 RPMs.
It's really nothing. Like
Yeah, you can't. It's like a normal car. You don't really feel anything.
And plus the exhaust inside the cabin, it's not really raspy or
it's
not really. It's kind of a little bit drony, but it's not too much. So
not too much.
I like it. I don't know. I have a NVIDIA front pipe and cutback exhaust coming in, so we will see, and we're gonna do a review on that as well. And yeah, and I have a engine intake, so he got a Perrin inlet tube, but it's kind of like a short ram intake still. So
anyways,
we're gonna do another pull here. So
ready?
Let's go.
Oh yeah, definitely you notice the car pulling way harder. It's quicker, that's for sure, but yeah, torque dip's still there, but a little bit noticeable, but not as bad anymore. I just can't wait until I get that tune.
Yeah, so I have my tune coming up too. So you have the OFT by Shiv, so it's gonna wait for that as well.
Yeah, around like 5,000 RPM it comes alive. It just wakes it up a bit more.
It's kind of dry here now in the highway too. Like, it's really cool, and yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. It's getting there. We're getting closer to summer. So
yeah.
So we're kind of like having the spring feeling right now. Because look at this. Look at the roads.
It's spring. It's monkey though. That's the thing.
Yeah. So usually in our town we don't really have like early spring, but right now it's kind of like early. So
we're talking about like in the middle of spring when everything is cleared out from all the snow and stuff, and then all of a sudden, boom, you get snow.
Yeah, that's what happened here.
Yeah.
Well, our weather here is really bipolar, so
I'll do another.
It's kind of crazy.
Third year pull this time. Oh yeah.
Oh, you missed the gear.
Almost missed the gear there. Okay. probably
We almost
slow
missed
down.
the gear, so yeah. Probably slow down now because there's a lot of cops in this town. So
We're not gonna say how fast we're going right now, but
it's
fast
gonna
enough.
bleep.
You know, only fast enough to go to jail, that's for sure.
So that was the review, and well, I hope you guys seen that other video that we posted, how to install it and all that. And I'll just like put the link up there, or what do you call it, the card or something. But for sure there will be more videos coming up. Spring is here, summer will be around the corner, and I will make more and more videos for you guys. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching on this vlog, and please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe,